Juan and Virginia Tandongon run a small convenience store in their home in Quezon City, but they barely have products on the shelves because they sometimes end up eating their own merchandise before it gets sold. They depend on the income from the sari-sari store for their daily survival, apart from Juan Tandongon's pension. With a 1,000 peso increase in the Social Security System pension due in May, Tandongon only wishes to save enough capital to replenish their shelves with stocks again. From 1,200 pesos per month, he expects to receive 2,200 pesos in the coming months.
Maraming salamat na ngayon, medyo magaan-gaan kunti.
But his wife Virginia, who is not a beneficiary, says there are more important things the money could be used on.
Mambili ng gamot talaga, importante yung gamot niya sa akin. Kasi may mga kuwang kami. Turinjo sa baga.
On average, the Tandongon family spends about 8,000 pesos per month, with 6,000 pesos going to food. The additional 1,000 pesos is welcome, says Virginia. They live with their 3 children who do not have regular work and 1 grandchild.
Naisangla namin yung kanya nun, ATM niya sa ISIS dahil itong bahay na ito. Naipatayo namin. Yung 1,000 lang na pension niya, 1 to, sa ikuan talaga hindi kasya. Pero pag may dagdag, pwede na rin yun kasi yung kumangutang kami ng Bombay. Yun, ilalagay namin sa tindahan, hindi na namin makukuhaan yun.
Like Tandongon, Junicio Ilera says the 1,000 peso increase is not enough, but it's better than no increase at all.
Yun lang mga kwandi, salamat talaga kami kung meron. Kaysa wala, kaysa yun lang maliit na kwan.
For 63-year-old Rosario de Guzman, the pension increase of 1,000 pesos is a big help.
Pangdagdag ng pambayad ng kuryente, tubig.
Meanwhile, SSS contributors have mixed reactions about the possible increase.
Isa din naman kami makikinabang pagdating ng panahon eh.
Ang okay po sana, yung dagdag sa pension, hindi po yung dagdag singil.
Okay lang as long as na magiging efficient tsaka talagang pangmatagalan na mararamdaman namin yung mga benefits.
But if there's anything both beneficiaries and contributors agree on, it's that the pension increases will be sustainable for the next generations. Trisha Tarada, CNN Philippines.